1, 2, 3, go! Oh my god. നൊമ്പരം ഒരു നൊമ്പരം സി സുംലെ തോ സുമ്മേരെ തോപ്ര 1, 2, 3, go! Look at this. What? Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning, everyone. This is the winter time. This is Lena. We are just going to have a little fun on our backyard. Let's see you guys there. ചുമ്മാ ഫ്രീ ടൈം കിട്ടിയപ്പോൾ ഇറങ്ങിയതാണ്. ഞങ്ങളിങ്ങനെ കണ്ടോ ഞങ്ങളുടെ വീട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ഇപ്പം ഞങ്ങൾ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യും. Hey Lena. Yeah, you wanna go to the backside or you wanna go for a walk there? What do you prefer?
Backside?
Backside? Let's go.
Is she gonna join you?
Yeah. She told me she's gonna join us in the back. Oh my god. It's very cold. Not that much, huh? I think somebody did this. I think Julio did this. Oh my god. ഇതുണ്ടോ സൈഡിലൊക്കെ മഞ്ഞുണ്ട് ഇവിടെ. Look at this. Oh my god. Just a backyard. This is our backyard look like. Side. Jump. Jump.
If I jump here?
Oh, probably here. Probably here. Probably here. Yeah. Run and jump. Here on top. Jump.
Here?
Yeah. Why not? That's your camera, right?
There is nothing under the
Nothing. Just here, okay?
snow.
Don't go here, just here.
I don't want to.
Nothing gonna happen.
It's too beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my god. Let's go.
Wow.
Let's go. Oh, you got
Oh,
it.
thank you.
See how deep it is. You okay? You okay? Oh my god. Camera there. It's open. Oh my god. See guys? Yes. Let's do Lena.
Let's go.
Let's go. What are we gonna do? Let's do it. Wow. How deep it is, right? This is just our backyard. Nothing.
Can you take a picture with my phone?
Yes. Oh, okay. Okay. That's nice. You got a really nice camera.
But it's
She's taking some pictures. This is literally our backyard, guys. See, some of നിങ്ങൾ എന്തായാലും എൻ്റെ വീഡിയോയിൽ കുറേ ഈ ബാക്ക്യാർഡൊക്കെ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് ടൈം വിൻ്റർ. ദിസ് ഈസ് വിൻ്റർ. ഇത് കിടന്ന് വേണം ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഈ ബാക്ക്യാർഡിലേക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് പോകാൻ. ഫുൾ സ്നോയാണ്, മുട്ടുവരെ മഞ്ഞാണ്. അതിൽ കൂടെയാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ പോകുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ ഇരുന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നേരെ അങ്ങോട്ട് താഴേക്ക് പോയിക്കോളും. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഒന്നും പേടിക്കാനില്ല. ഇത്രയും തണുപ്പാണ് ഇവിടെ. ഇത്രയും ഡീപ്പ്. വെരി ഡീപ്പ്. Look at this. Oh my god.
Where are you, Francie?
I'm just trying to swim. Look at my bike.
Oh my god.
Look at my bike. This is my bike. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi guys. Welcome to Canada. Wow. It's not chilled.
Is it? Oh.
Yeah. Let's make it a little bit chill. This is Canada, guys. Canada. That's it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Too frizzy.
It's freezy.
Freezy cold.
Thank you. Look at our backyard. It's amazing. It's beautiful, guys. വെറുതെ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഫണ്ണ് ടൈം എന്ന രീതിയിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ഇറങ്ങിയതാണ്. നമുക്ക് എൻ്റെ ബൈക്ക് ഇരിക്കുന്നു നോക്കൂ. ദിസ് ഈസ് മൈ ബൈക്ക്. എവറിഥിങ് അണ്ടർ സ്നോ. മൈ ഡ്രിങ്ക്. എല്ലാ വീടുകളിലും നമ്മളിവിടെ കുഴിഞ്ഞു കുഴിഞ്ഞു വേണം പോകാനായിട്ട്. എല്ലായിടത്തും അയൽവക്കത്തും എല്ലായിടത്തും സ്നോയാണ്. കണ്ട, ഇതൊരു വെജിറ്റബിൾ ഗാർഡനായിരുന്നു. ഇതൊക്കെ ഇപ്പോൾ നോർമലായി. Look at our tree. It's very deep here. Do you think are we gonna make a snowman?
Oh yes, it's a good idea.
Yeah, do you think? Let's Jessica go. Jessica is on the way. It's taking some pictures. Oh my god. ഞങ്ങളുടെ വീടിൻ്റെ ബാക്ക് യാർഡാണ്. കണ്ട, ഇത്രയും ഡീപ്പിലാണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ സ്നോ നിൽക്കണേ. എൻ്റെ ഡ്രസ്സൊക്കെ ആകെ കുളമായി. It is beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. ആയിരിക്കുന്ന റെഡ് ബൈക്കാണ് എൻ്റെ. പറഞ്ഞിട്ടെന്താ കാര്യം? ഫുൾ സ്നോ. Oh my, that much deep now. My language is Malayalam. 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 It has a little bit of tongue. I mean, what we say, it's hard to pronounce for the foreigners. In our language, would you like to sing a song in my language? Okay. Let me find out a song. Lena,
Yes. It's me.
we are gonna sing a song.
Okay.
She's gonna sing a song in French and I'm gonna try to sing that. And she's gonna sing our own language song, Malayalam song. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, this is how we go. Ready?
Yes, I am.
It's a beautiful Malayalam song. So I'm gonna sing the one line by line. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, this is how it goes. പാൽ നിലാവിലും ഒരു നൊമ്പരം.
Can you repeat that?
Okay. പാൽ നിലാവിലും ഒരു നൊമ്പരം, ഒരു നൊമ്പരം. പാതിരാക്കിളി എന്തിനീ മൗനം, എന്തിനീ മൗനം. Yeah. She got a little bit, but it's good, right?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful
It's a beautiful song. It's an old song, but it's a beautiful song.
And what does it mean?
It's a kind of emotional song, and it's a very big hit song.
Okay.
Sing me a song in French.
I'm a terrible singer, but I can try a child song.
Okay, child song. Under this very cold, snowing time we are gonna sing a
Okay.
great song.
Vent frais,
Wow.
vent du matin,
War fray, once you temps.
vent qui souffle au sommet des grands pins,
Voici sommet
sommet des grands pins.
summere topra.
Vent, on peut répéter encore une fois. Vent frais,
War fray,
vent du matin,
mon Dieu matin. Yeah, we made it.
vent qui souffle au sommet des grands pins.
Jessica is coming. Jump, Jessica, jump. No, just dive. Like a swim.
Dive.
Just like a swim, you know? Yeah, just do it.
You guys see that?
I done a couple of times. Look at me.
Hey, let's go.
She also done.
I'm on my back.
It's your turn.
Okay.
Maybe it's the best place,
Is that
Jess.
the softest? How's it
Yeah,
there?
this is the best place, I
Oh
guess.
my gosh, you guys. This, I actually have not seen this in a couple of years. Okay.
Look at Jessie is gonna jump. Both of them are gonna jump.
Get back.
Whatever you feel like to do, guys.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go, just go like that.
Okay.
One,
Jump. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Look at this. Look at this girl. It's not. Can I take a picture of you guys?
Yeah, on video.
It's crazy, right?
That's hilarious. It looks like we're twins. We're twins.
See? Literally, we can bury somebody here that much deep.
It was a very soft landing. That was very fun.
I guys wanna make a snowman right now for our home?
Do it. We'll make a snowman. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Snow time. It's crazy. I think I didn't get it. Oh my god. Look at the fog. Yeah,
Okay.
I think yes.
Okay.
not sure.
You want to know for sure.
Yeah.
You don't want to play around.
But
Okay.
we are gonna take a group picture. She has a beautiful camera. We're gonna get it done.
Be careful. I don't want to. Yeah. I don't think
Maybe I'm gonna take you with my.
Super Canadians, right?
Is this yours, Rosie?
Yes, Jessica. I made my own refrigerator. So I put some I put some ice in there.
It's still liquid.
Oh my god. We made it. I'm gonna stay under the shower. Hot shower. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഫൺ കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ചുമ്മാ വെറുതെ ഒരു ഫ്രീ ടൈമിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ Thanks for watching my channel, guys. This is Canada. Welcome to Canada anytime. What did you say? Welcome to Canada. Look at that car, the pink car. Oh my god. That is almost. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's beautiful.